Have you ever bought garlic and noticed that there were green shoots coming out of it? What did you do? If you're like most people, then you probably threw the garlic out, right? Although these green shoots can make the garlic taste even more bitter, recent studies have shown that sprouted garlic is healthier than regular garlic. This is because when plants are sprouting their seedlings, they begin to develop new compounds, including some that will protect it from harmful microorganisms. Researchers believe that this also applies to garlic with green shoots. Other studies have shown that sprouts and sprouted beans have a greater antioxidant activity, causing researchers to trust the benefits of sprouted garlic even more than before. To better understand this process, they let the garlic sprout for 5 days. The conclusion was impressive. The garlic not only possessed more antioxidants, but it also contained different substances that we don't find in common garlic, which protect it from various types of harmful agents. Garlic is an effective anti-inflammatory and also a natural antibiotic, chock full of health benefits. Many of these benefits are derived from the active compound in garlic called allicin, which is great at fighting bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites, and doesn't contain the same toxic side effects as antibiotics. In addition to reducing high cholesterol and triglycerides, garlic protects our heart, controls our blood pressure, improves asthma symptoms, and fights some types of cancer, such as cancer of the colon. And, as if that weren't enough, you can even get greater antioxidant action from garlic if you consume it with the green shoots, thus reducing premature aging and cell damage. Would you consider including sprouted garlic to your diet? If you love it, subscribe my channel and share.